This is Painting on Glass, the Marcus Sozel podcast in English language. Listen to the stories and reflections of a singer-songwriter and author. Hold on, take me back. Hold on and take me back. It's like painting on glass. Leave a note on your door. Tell me what you're looking for. It's like painting on glass. First of all, welcome back to this show, and today I feel very privileged that you tune in the 40th episode of this program. Wow, thank you. That's wonderful indeed. These days, it's all about changing. We enjoyed the wonderful mellow days of late summer, which has gone now, and we've already entered the new season, fall. Dance, dance, make the world go round. Everywhere out there there's life unbound. Everywhere you hear the sweetest sound of a day you spend in fall. A day you spend in fall is so much different from a day you spend in late summer. Now, there is a slight chill in the air, and you realize in the early morning or the late afternoon something has changed. Suddenly, there was this change that no one seemed to expect. Me neither. Dance, dance till the early light. Everything's glowing so warm and bright. Everything's offered to your delight for the day you spend in fall. Many people seem to be afraid of changes these days, but this change is a blessing. The heat of summer has left and will be returning next year, but the air can be crystal clear. The color around you start to shine, and the sky is dressed in the deepest and most beautiful blue of the year. Oh Lord, that's why I love this season so much. And there is no need to be afraid. Without change, there would be no life, because all living things need to change from time to time. The season of fall reminds us of that essential fact. That you feel and you see, it's all up to you. There's always will be something special to see for you. Well, you know, there is an apple tree in my garden, which I planted the year I moved into my home. And it is filling the garden with its sweetest scents and accompanies the vivid and shiny colors of the Japanese maple trees, the green of the bamboo, and the wind that strolls right through. It's such a gift to be in here and to join this wonderful and unique atmosphere while everything seems to be on the go somewhere. Where to? Well, nobody knows. Dance, dance till you dance no more. Everything's waiting in front of your door. Everything you have been looking for the day you spend in fall. And the beginning of the whole season feels like a dance. Somehow it feels that all things know that they have to go to sleep soon for a while. But they shine as lively as can be, and they seem to dance with the passing days of fall. Precious days that keep going by faster and faster. Maybe you want to dance too? Just go for it. Now's the time. The way that you feel and you see, it's all up to you. There's always will be something special to see for you.
I have always been attracted by the trembling leaves that shine in yellow, rich green, brown, or fiery red. They prepare for their last flight, the only one they have. And any time my eyes catches a falling leaf, I smile, and I appreciate that I had a chance to see it fall, right in that minute, and its ultimate show. And they dance beautifully as they turn and wind and make their flight out of a year, which is also about to end in just a while. I'm really grateful about moments like that, for thoughts like this. They can satisfy you deeply, and they give you a sense what life is really about.
Dance, dance, make the world go round. Everywhere out there's life unbound. Everywhere you hear the sweetest sounds. A day you spend in fall, of a day you spend in fall, of that day you spend in fall.
So now let me know, what are your thoughts about the season of fall? Are you the one who prefers to be sad about the passing of summer? Are you the one that begins dancing in the sounds of these winds? Well, anyway, let me wish you all the brightness and blue skies beneath the rain that also comes along this season. And when you're writing, it doesn't matter if it's music or the words of a poem or a story. This is your time to get out and collect wonderful impressions that turn to word in the evening of a day. But fall is only that impressive and delightful because there is a summer before and a cold winter that surely follows after all the dancing. Keep that in mind and feel a shelter that lies in all the changing. Don't be afraid of it. Don't.
Let the sun shine on through. It's all you need to do when painting on walls. Lay down what you hope to find, all the things you left behind. That's painting on walls.
And now we're already heading to the end of this episode, and I hope you enjoyed the moments we spent within all the wonder of a season that has just begun and offers you joy and colors in so many wonderful ways. Keep your eyes wide open to see that. Let the sun shine in your eyes and share these moments with the ones you love the most, or all by yourself. I'm grateful that I had a chance to be your host while going there. I published a song, A Day in Fall, in 2011 on the physical CD patches, which is not available online. But you may order it via my website. Just go for the contact area or just visit my online shop. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram under the name Marcus Social Official. Just have a look. I'll be glad to share this space with a lot of new followers. And if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a rating or review. It'll help others to find this show. Thank you so much. And we'll meet here in a few episodes to come, if you want to. Oh, that's great. That's wonderful.